To add symbols in your PDF, open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat and then in this right-hand menu, select Edit PDF and then click on Add Text and select the place where you want to add the symbol. After that, go to your computer search bar and type here character map and open this character map. So this is the default light app on your computer. In here, click on this advanced view and here you will find search option. Now just search here the symbol that you want to add to your PDF and here we can see the symbol. Select the symbol and click on select, and now once the symbol added in this character to copy box, just click on copy. Now close this window, come back to your PDF editor and press Ctrl V and here you can see the symbol pasted. Now select the symbol and here you can increase the symbol size just like this, and that's how you can actually add symbol.